hate me. I don't even know. Like, seriously? Literally when I left, what? Okay. Like an hour later, it actually started to move. That's all I have to say today. Just seriously. Anywho, let's get this party started. Let's do this thing. Ooh, like a chicken wing. Goodness gracious. I'm a mess. It is so hot today. It's not even funny. But we keep on keeping on. Jordy, what's up? Yes, always. I'm always here. You will learn that you're gonna get so bored of me. Oh, so quickly. Went to the stables, touched some grass, and now I'm back. Let's do this. Ugh. It is so hot in South Africa right now. Or at least where I am. Let me not speak for all of South Africa, but at least where I am right now, it's oh so hot. But let's do this.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Hey Njabulu, what's up? How you doing? Just getting this before I forget. I appreciate that, Jordy. I will take that with my head held high. Okay. Just before I forget, yeah, if anyone wants discounts on any of the prop firms in my description below. Okay, that was open. Okay, took out Equalos. Don't even know what that was for, but anyways. New York low over here. What the actual heck is all I'm gonna say. Just what the actual heck. Oh, there's the 8:30 candle. When is the other news? No, okay. Okay, let's see what we can do today. Am I having a stroke? Let's see what we can do today. There we go. English nailed it. Can you believe life tried to eat me up and poop me out? Little did life know that I'm built like corn. Cat, I'm not gonna lie. I low-key love that. And my count is... Oh! That's amazing. Well done. Whoop, whoop. I think that deserves a whoop whoop, if ever. That deserves a whoop whoop. Well done. Sure. That is awesome. Any idea whether to sell or buy today? This is low-key doing the opposite of yesterday. If it's following the opposite of yesterday, it's going to be an ever so slow chop to the buy side. That is if it's following yesterday. Literally the opposite of yesterday. But it's done this huge push before New York. It, well, consolidated while I was here during London. So now it might just consolidate back up slowly. That's what it low-key did yesterday. Hey Bob, what's up? Buy and hold for a month. Next. I'll get to investing one day. I'm giggling because I know exactly what someone's going to say. All the big drops are pretty much done. I'm not convinced about that. What makes you... Ooh, oopsies. What makes you think that? Cat, what makes you think all the big drops are basically done? Let's check the high time frame. So daily still has this gap. It still has this gap. This could still go down further, believe it or not, but this could actually go down further. Okay, so that's daily. Let's check 4 hour. Nearly closed this gap. It's gonna have a little bounce. Woo, look at that doji. That's a freaking order block if I've ever flipping seen one. Holy moly. See if it respects this 4 hour one, or else the next point would be this imbalance here. At what's this, 7:30ish. 4 hour, 1 hour. We basically made relative equal highs. Where's this at? 213. Okay. I guess, yeah, next stop could potentially be 729. Look at that drop. That is insane. Okay, 15 minutes. Could have a little rejection off of there. Okay, well, if we're going to have a little rejection, it's most likely going to happen here, and then potential continuation back to the sell side. Can I ask why you chose Trader Find instead of other props like Apex and Take Profit Trade? Oh, Geordie, I'm in South Africa. We are very limited here. Just saying. Hey, Turtle on Ice. No, so while I was trading this morning, it was just Chop City for me to come on now and see that there was beautiful movement afterwards. Anyways, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. I'm fine. I'm okay. Still grinding, always. Hey, Masolo, how you doing? This, looking for, but it was all overnight. No, I'm so sorry, JP. That's rough. Yeah. A little bit rude. Oh well. Well, do you know what? The audacity of it. While I was here, it went sideways. This was my trading day. This right here was my trading day. Then I left, and all of a sudden, rude. Just rude. Anyways, it's fine. I say, but it's not fine. If I zoom in here, like, look at this BS. Now this would have been freaking awesome for my strategy. Why does this never happen when I am here? That's nice. That's so much fun for me. Anyways, moving on. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I've had my moment. We're done. Even called it. Hey, Drive with Gagan. How you doing? First time here. Is it worth it? And where to start? Masolo, first, is it worth it? Where to start? What, is trading worth it? That depends. Are you willing to put time, effort, energy, and some funds into it? If no, then no, it's not going to be worth it for you. Baron and Foxhole, what's up? I mean, right now, wait, I made 1,000 in this fall. It was crazy. I'm a little bit salty. I mean, I wasn't even here, but well done. Seriously, whoever caught this, I'm going to do another whoop whoop because it's definitely necessary. It's definitely deserved. Well done to anyone that got in on this. Huge whoop whoop. I swear that, yeah. No. JP, I expect to move back up. I mean, there's all this unmitigated, well, all this imbalance now, so let's see. This now is gonna be stuck in my head. Okay, done. Why didn't I get that? I wasn't, yeah, I literally just hopped onto the charts now. Trade and process, what's up? Gotta stay there 24/7 if you want to catch something. Bruh. It's only so much you can take. Ah, there we go. Maybe once your business is booming, then you can come back and have a look. Am I in the US? Nah, I'm from South Africa. What's up? The minute you log out, the chart moves. I know. I might have to reevaluate my trading time. Screw London Open. Apparently London PM is the place to be. Hey Tyler, what's up? How you doing? So now we wait. Bruh, I've been waiting. I literally waited the whole of, well, London Open and pre-London. And then London PM came here just like a mad lad, and now watch it be Chop City again. It tends to be big moves before chopping New York. But okay, let's just see. Maybe that's just me being negative. Yeah, that being said, it is FOMC today, so let's find out. Let's find out. Maybe it won't. Maybe it'll actually work out pretty decently. We have 3 minutes to go. Let me mark out London high. Low-key disagree with that, but okay. Let me make it at least here. Okay. Let's see what we get. Apart from insanity. Insanity. Basically by this new daily opening gap that it created the other day. Hey, cool. Okay, I'm gonna keep it a little bit to the side or else it starts irritating me, but nice to see. I mean, we still have the new weekly opening gap is still all the way down there. Sure, it's actually moved quite a bit in 2 days. Interesting. You probably won't trade today because it's FOMC. Where'd my shelter go? I juggle 3 businesses, a full-time hobby, and I'm learning trading. There we go, brightest future. What's your full-time hobby? If you don't mind me asking. Sorry, that was very intrusive. I know. Missed it. I'm so upset. And just watching here, looking at my strategy's working out beautifully. It hurts me. It really hurts me. Oh well, what you gonna do? Hey Maya, we do have news, Bigfoot players. We also have FOMC later, so let's not expect magic from New York. I can't believe it. Oh right, okay, I forgot about that, sorry. Well, you called it a hobby though? That's interesting. It's a poker hobby, I guess. You put money into it, you spend your time doing it. Never mind, it's a hobby. Have you tried baby pips? Lots of info and quizzes on the site, check it out. Never heard of it, baby pips. Okay, let me put it in my notebook. Or notepad, whatever. Baby pips. That low-key adorable. Hey guys, it's 9:30. Are we ready? I was not ready.
Okay, let's go.
Okie dokie, here's 9:30. Let's get this party started. Did I read that correctly? You look like a cute little kitten today. Thank you, I think. I'll take it, I guess. Well, I prefer to take all my money and put it off. Okay, yeah, no. That's not great. Okay, 9:30 a.m. open. Sugar honey iced tea. The song is stuck in my head solidly today. Anyways. That was a huge wick. This is not drawn correctly. There we go. That was a massive wick to the buy side, but again, a really big wick. Up on the 5 minutes so far. Huge rejection off of there. Kind of tapped into that imbalance. Back to the 1 minute. Let's see what we get. Oh, this is wicking all over the place. Okay. In your life, I tell you, I guess. But I mean, it's like Bright's future said. He has like 3 businesses and a hobby, and he trades because he wants to. 2 for 800 is big support next. Take that fall if you can. Well, let's see if it gives us the opportunity, right? I feel like that's the most important thing. If it gives Wildcat me the opportunity. Okay, so huge wick up, huge wick down. This is not a great start. Not promising so far, but this is painful to watch. Dale, I hear you. Wait, what's painful to watch? The markets or me? Because if that's me, that's mean. If it's the markets, I get it. Oh my gosh, I get it. But it's okay. Hey Debbie, what's up? It's only 19 degrees. Debbie, I low-key want to put you on a timeout for that. You know, it's 31 degrees here today. Maya is a joy to watch. We have fun here. Heck yeah, we do. Woo! What did I do? I did something. Yeah, it's okay. He just came here and created...
emotional damage.
So mean. Okie dokie, Debbie, you called it. I'm so grumpy that you called it. Now it's probably gonna be Chop City. Which is amazing. I'm so excited. Have to focus, this is baby number 1. Ooh! Masola, where are you from, by the way? You South African as well? That's an impressive doji. Geordie, what time is it there? It is now 3:30 basically, or 34 past 3 if you will. But yeah, half past 3. Cape Town based, yes. Nice, okay. Very nice. And what's your new well, I guess you don't have to just say if you don't want to, but I was gonna ask what's your new business baby idea? Or your new business. Your business. Oh, sorry, I'm speaking weird because I'm upsetty spaghetti. I promise you, if this is just gonna chop again, I might call it early and just say screw it and just rather hop on Discord and do backtesting. This might be what today is. Might just say screw it, rather hop onto Discord, do some backtesting, and just call it a day. No ways, Debbie, what the heck, man? I cannot believe it did that when I was gone. And you know what's so frustrating? Like, just looking at this, seeing that my strategy would have been beautiful the whole way down. Literally the whole way down. Hey, Bartek, what's up? Oh, nice, you have a good time. It's 11:35 p.m. here. I've heard, yeah, no, Australia is not the best time for trading. I realized it ain't ideal. Good grief. Fair enough, Foxel. You know what? If it gives you what you want out of life, then you do you, baby boo. We listen and we don't judge. It's an... Oh, cool. That sounds kind of fancy. Very fancy. Your 2.0 version called it to check your... I did. I checked. I looked. I'm gonna... Yeah. How am I at poker? Oh, so bad. Oh, so bad. Not a good start today. Continuously, day 3 today. Choppy day. I agree. Let's not be negative. Maybe something will pop up here. I mean, here's a first presenter. That's not bad. I mean, it's not great, but it's not bad. Okay. Look at this rockstar with the stone swag. Heck yeah. Rolling stones, let's do it. Okay, what does this look like on the 5-minute now? So push, let's see how it closes. 2 minutes to go on the 5-minute. Oh, sorry. I was so lost for a second. I was like, did I draw something wrong? No, I'm just being dumb. Anyways. How big is the 5-minute candle today? Okay, standard today. At least it's a little bit more quote-unquote normal today. What now? I can just let the market come to... Really? You thought I would be good at poker? I appreciate that, but no. There's like... I don't even know. I guess 2 main things that give me away is 1, I'm terrible at lying. Like, you know when you lie, I don't know how to explain it. I don't know if you believe in like energies or so. I don't know. I don't even know if I believe in energies and things, but literally, if I lie or I get excited, it's almost like the energy around me goes and everyone knows. Everyone knows I'm lying. Number 2, my face is so loud. I cannot just turn my face off. Everyone can tell what I'm thinking all the time. It is actually a problem. But it is what it is. Bam, ba, da, 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 bam, boop. I wasn't so keen on longs, but that being said, midnight's up there. This actually could be a long. Let's see how this works out here. If this starts to look like it's working out, this could be good. I'm profitable at poker. Brightest future. You might have to teach me how to play. Although that being said, I really don't think I'll be any good at it. Brightest future, are you able to tell if someone could be good at poker or not really? It's a little bit difficult to tell. You can't bluff. Exactly. The energy goes da-da-da. Hey, no one knows. Yeah, Louis, what's up? When I lie, I either get excited because I believe that you've believed my lie and then I'm like, ooh, they know. Or I lie and I feel bad and I feel bad. No trade today. Trade is over before New York session start. There's a rate cut today. Until then, it'll be choppy. Okay. Hey, Louie. What's up? How you doing? Long time no see. How's it going? Sorry, I'm so upset. Quickest way to tell if you're good at poker. If you can't see the sucker, then you are the sucker. But I mean, that doesn't sound very nice. See? Red, red wine. Sorry, this is the level of weirdness we have reached today because I am upsetty spaghetti. I literally sat for 3 hours this morning. 3 hours in this absolute BS. Okay, no, I did end it around here. I did call it around here. Okay. That is still 3 hours. Can you see it went nowhere in 3 hours? So I called it here, literally then. 5:55. Half an hour later is when the moves actually started. Yeah, okay, listen, let's say I wouldn't have trusted that, so. Yeah. An hour and a half later, it actually started to move solidly. Sad. Oh, so sad. This is also not an A+ setup. What does this look like on the 5-minute? That's a line for. Oh, got it. Why don't you just trade one session and master one? Oh. Nah, just get amazing at both. Boom. Hey Alex, what's up? How are we doing? You have all the traits of a good player: intelligent, good memory, decent at math, competitive, strong social skills, and a bankroll. Aha! In that case, watch out, world. Maybe Maya's gonna take on poker. Nah, I don't think I'll be any good. Seriously, seriously. My way was... I then knew that I would bluff by almost bluffing my tell. That was the only way I would be any good. I would have to almost bluff my tell. That people would think that I had a bad hand even if I had a good hand. That would be the only way I would manage to do that. I had to go up multiple few days, but I still bought gold cells 2 hours ago. Now I'm catching gold buys. Nice, Louis, look at you go. Just at 5% energy in your phone. What would you do before the energy is over? Cry? No, I'm kidding. You say that. Oh, the most horrific thing happened. I used to have such a terrible phone that would die all the time. Going on a trip down where you don't know where you are with a phone that keeps dying, so you have no clue where you are, is not fun. Whee! Look at that go. Please don't be choppy. 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 It's gonna be choppy. Please don't be choppy. Okay. Okay. That would work, yeah. There's a bootlicker amongst it. What does that mean? You only have 4%. Do you not have a charger with you? What's a bootlicker? What's a bootlicker? Bob, I have questions. What does that mean? What does it mean? Okay, that was a good rejection off of the midpoint. So maybe a level when it broke here up there. If it gets there though, I'm not convinced it will. This is... This would be a risky short to take. Might work, but it's still a little bit risky. They poker and casino Berlin. And I'm going 99. It's another 9 for triple and I lost. Oh no! Blacksmith, I'm so sorry. Louis, a bootlicker is a person who agrees with you about everything and compliments you too much. Bob, just let me have it. Just let me be happy for 5 minutes. Damn. Maybe I needed a little bit of a boost. Oh gosh. That was my first time I went directly. Oh damn. Ah, interesting. JP, you missed the entry. That's called a simp. What, for the long? I guess I had that set up. Huh. Low-key did not see that coming. Also, I didn't miss anything because this was not an A+ setup. Literally, I guess the only... Would have midpoint. First presented. Yeah, but still not an A+ setup. That was a better reaction. Let's see here. Back into the 935. Has to go too far down, but there is this inverse value gap over there. Ah, thanks, brightest future. It isn't the first time crazy aces proof flop. JP is saying short. Okay, well, it would have demolished me if I took it short. Seriously, I would have demolished. We've been a win to the buy side though. That's interesting. Okay, let's wait for a little bit more confirmation. Like to see it drop a little bit lower. Good wicks down here. Took that out, popped back into this fair value gap. Might be nice to see it go back up to VWAP before it goes back down. Is it gonna though? There's the tap back into the 5 minute, well, not exactly. Oh wait, 45 happened. Oh, is this Loki what happened here? No? Yes. Back up. Oh shoot. I should have taken this one. I actually should have taken this one. Let's see if it would have been a win or not. What's up, Kobe? Market usually whipsaws before FOMC today as FO. I know. And gentlemen. Dale, maybe try trading ES instead. Meh. I have a reason I don't. I do like ES, but I do have a reason why I don't. Why has it dropped so much in the last 2 hours? Because it loves to give me the middle finger. That's basically it. I'm convinced that that is why. I'm just here to copy trade my liar pants on fire. Are you in this? I don't even think you're in this. Just journaling, sorry guys. See how it reacts over here. Pop back in there. Want to see it reject off of here. Market drop because of the conflict. Ah! No way, Jose. Might be a no trade day for me. Yeah, I'm also looking at this. I'm waiting for confirmations that this is actually gonna... Maybe workout is the wrong word, but workout. Gold hit TP, now it's probably gonna sell again. Just gotta wait. So market drops so fast because oil prices are raised due to one at least. Oh damn, yep. No, drop a little bit lower. This might be an M pattern forming. Here, 1, 2, 3. Do I have an SMT to follow that up with? Not really. Wait. I do. I took this out. Drop further. Want the 4 to be a little bit above. I prefer the 4 to be lower down. But then that could be the M formation. Let's see. It don't give a damn about this first presented. Oh my gosh, this poor little first presented is being stomped on. Yo, Shawnee did it? What was it last time? Because I haven't taken a trade for like 2 days, so it's impossible. You're 2-2 with aces. Damn. Couldn't come tag me in there. Okay. Shame, seriously, this little first presented fair value gap is just unloved today, clearly. Didn't come back and retest there. Oh, maybe it is. Is anyone in a trade right now? Asking for a friend. JP, in all honesty, I don't really have one. My narrative is sideways, which is not great, is it? Okay. Just didn't come back high enough. Pity. Pity, pity. Not in this job. Yeah. I'll get a short here in a few minutes. Oh, your friend, my friend said, yes, he is. How's your friend doing, Kobe? Wait for it to go above 25k. Wait, what? Don't go long, wait for it to go above 25k. But that means it's gonna go long up to 25k. I must say, this 25k level is very irritating. Hey Parm, what's up? How goes it? Oh yeah, oh dear. Yeah, this is what the chop does to me. It just makes everything... The piano song is making me sleep. Gonna take a nap. If I hit TP, it'll be nice to wake up. Good dog. Wait, Louis, are you in a trade? What? Debbie, what? What? Debbie, what? What are we watting? Ooh, this could start to go short here. Good rejection off of there. It just didn't go back up to tag in. So now there's no confluence on me. Blech. Oh, look, it gets sustained above 25k, then it'll go long. Got it. What's up? Q? I'm gonna start calling you Q if that's okay. Professional hypnotism music. OTT, what up? Did you take a trade? You hands off? What's the plan, Sam? Did you get in on that beautiful price action before New York Open? That happened when I left to go to the stables, which is just rude. Well, all we can do. Okay, let's continue. Hey, you're still alive. I hope you don't suffer from mental burnout. Hey, Explorer, no, I was off, or else I would have got some freaking nice trades here. How irritating. Oh well, it's fine. Jane, take this the wrong way or don't. You do you. But... okay. Just got you. Gonna try the indicator now as well. Hopefully no errors this time. Sold at 488 target. 4853. Where the heck is your stop loss, Louis? Listen, OTT, that's why literally here for signals, not to learn, and I'm just like, no. Anyways. Jane went cuckoo. The stop loss is already in profit. Okay. Hey, kittens. Compilations, what's up? I'm not trading a coin, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. What's up? How you doing? How's it going? Let's pretend I did that so they would have been tagged in. Let's see how this goes. 9:59. This is literally just gonna go sideways, isn't it? And then watch, I'm gonna hop off and it's gonna be amazing. Which is rude. But it's okay. Let's see, if I had taken this, I don't even think I would have taken this, to be fair. I mean, first presenters there, shush monkeys. Did you guys hear that? It kind of sounded like thunder or lightning. That's just the monkeys doing their thing. It's the first time stream popped up on my feed, so I'll give it a watch. Oh, thanks, Kittens Compilations. What's up? What do you trade? What's your thing? What do you like to trade? We're actually trying to signal botting. Calling us that profitable.
Emotional damage.
Anyways, you have monkeys. Yeah! Down in KZN, there's vervet monkeys everywhere. They're very irritating, but it is what it is. They're cute, I guess. Well, the babies are cute. The adults are terrifying. And they aren't scared of you, which makes them more terrifying. Oh, bruh. Huh. This, I need to almost delete this first presented. It don't give a damn about it. I'm so over the top. I'm so over the top. You have horses and monkeys, that's cool. I heard monkeys are dangerous to own. So I do not own it, I do not own it. No, these are wild monkeys. Putting it out there, I don't own them. These are wild vervet monkeys that run around and they're very irritating. And they are the reason I have to keep my windows and doors shut properly. Because they will come into your house and steal things. Literally, they'll steal any food, anything. It's very rude. Which is always short them when they get pup. Nice. I sounded like Frieza from Dragon Ball. No ways. Can you eat them? No! 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 I had an amazing quote yesterday and now I've got no, Bob, come on, we need a Bob quote. We need a Bob quote, come on. What is wrong with you? Anyways, imagine getting robbed. OTT, it's really, like, it's disrespectful. It's really disrespectful. Been stalking watching you for a couple of weeks. I have to say that watching about trading keeps my psychology in check. I love how chill the streams are. Aww! Thank you, I really appreciate that, thank you. Super chill. Sometimes, I guess you could say boring because you sit here waiting forever. Oh, there we go. Okay, so that one would have worked, but again, this is not an A+ setup, so that's fun. So I would not have taken it. Well, obviously I didn't take it. Yeah, we set up. You guys are nasty. Monkeys are evil. They're not evil. Don't get me wrong, they scare me because they aren't scared of me. I think that's what scares me. They are not scared of me. And that terrifies me. Bob, no. Guys, they are cute. Okay? Like, I don't want them near me, but they're cute. US Open is on the way. Patience. It's already open. Pup? Is it pup? Oh, sorry, I say pup, sorry. And you see it walking past you a week later with the keyboard and so on. It's so those never. Oh my gosh. The flip. That's how it'll be walking with the keyboard, by the way. Jamming along because it knows it has to show you some disrespect while it's at it. Hey, dollar shortcoming, awesome. Does that happen unless they're getting robbed by monkeys? I mean, not like I said, they come into your house and steal your food, but they're not going to steal like keyboards and stuff. They have no need for that. I haven't seen anyone use the word freaking in a really long time. Oh, thank you, Eugene. Thank you, Eugene. Volume enters closer to 9:30 than 9, almost always. Interesting, okay. They're walking with Sterling boombox speakers around Chad, yeah, 3 AM at night. Yeah, Bob's not Mexican, I don't think. You are, my whole life has been a lie, but anyways. You know what? Being close to blowing my funded account hasn't made me want to cry. When I was struggling to pass my eval account, didn't cry. This price action is low-key making me want to cry out in frustration. What is this? What is this? What is this? Trashy macro. I hear that. Imagine coming back to your PC and see you at 1K and the monkeys just sitting there holding your mouse. They could stay forever. I'd be like, you know what? Y'all are fine. You stay here, you click whatever buttons you pressed. Let's just stay with it. Yeah, Kevin, it's been pretty sucky. People profitable at us. Mexican and South Africa. Taco Tuesday using. I don't feel like that's enough. Wait. Okay, now. Okay, there we go. 5% one day. Get you due to the geopolitical events in the Middle East. Markets have been very choppy the past couple of weeks, right? Do you know what the worst part is, Eugene? Well, worst / most annoying part. Like I said, I was here for 3 hours this morning. In this. This here was where I was in the markets. When I come off, look at this. Look. Seriously? I know the markets don't give a damn about me, but sometimes I swear they do it on purpose. Literally, Ollie now has a joke saying it's called the Meyer effect. Whenever I go offline, the markets start moving. And I'm just like, that's so mean. That is so unnecessarily mean. JP, I'm short 1 million on my cash account for 24989. Nice. I pretend to log off. The price action will move. Johnny baby, maybe I'll be like, no more trading. I'm done. And then just watch and see if it works. I got a little intimidated there that day. I feel like you could be good at poker. Me too, always happens. I had to go to uni. See, I had to go to the stables because my horse is overheating again because he's weird and he's needy. I love him so much, but oh my goodness. Sorry, that was my little frustration over. Told you earlier that around until the news is up. I know, but you can't blame a girl for having a little bit of hope. This is actually worse than yesterday. At least yesterday we had a bit of a oomph when it opened. This didn't even have oomph when it opened. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Great. That's now gonna be stuck in my head. In your head. Damn it. Zombie. Okay. You're gonna full port long right now. Go on, do it. He's needy. Oh, he's so needy. What other horse does not have the capability to sweat? So I have to make sure that he can cool down or else he will overheat and die. It's fun. There's more chop here than at a karate tournament. Bob, I feel like you've said that one before. Let me check the Bob quotes. I feel like you've said that one before. I'm not saying be better. I'm just saying be original. Don't come hurt me. Don't come hurt me. Don't come hurt me. I feel like Bubble literally teleports just to come and give me a snap. I want to see, is there one with about karate? I feel like there is. Oh no, you didn't exactly say that. It's I'm kind of neutral this morning. I'm expecting some karate chop. No, okay. I lied. Yeah, I've mentioned karate before, but not in the same sentence. Maybe. I take it back. First world problems. My horse is annoying me. I remember my name. I thought it was, but that was so rich. I wasn't. Listen, I would like to pretend that I'm rich, but I'm really not. Trust me. Shame, it sounds mean, but the reason why he is a little bit difficult is because he's a rescue. Literally, I adopted him. Used to work out at the stud with racehorses. See, Kobe, that is so cool. To be fair, my boy is a racehorse. So I don't know if you know anything about like breeding and stuff, but if I'm not mistaken, his sire was flying the flag or something. I'm gonna have to check that out. I love that song. Thank you. Look at the news calendar. The Fed rate's coming later tonight. I know. I think the market's going to be moving sideways. So I know. Well, that's one way to get me out of play. I know. As I said, I was like, this is how I die. Guys, if you don't see me, wait, how long will it get you? How long will it take you to get you? If I disappear randomly in the next 2 to 3 days, you know it's because Bob came, Bob found me, and he taught me a lesson for being disrespectful. Who is a rescue? My horse is a rescue. What's up, Hammer? My old horse was a thoroughbred. Yeah, my boy's a thoroughbred. I don't think he was very fast though. He did 2 races. Which tells me no. Okay. At least 2 weeks. At least 2 weeks? What do you mean, OTT? Was a stable and fine, you ran in a rescue. Was he being my rescue is falling off a cliff and you threw him a rope? Okay, okay. Like, you can adopt a rescue and surely that's the thing, obviously. Like, we have SPCA here. I don't know if there's an equivalent to, like, animal shelters where you can adopt animals, like adopt cats and dogs. Is that a thing? That must be a thing. That definitely must be a thing. Where you can go and adopt an animal in need. They have it for horses here. So I was a pretty couple winner, but she never ran. Oh damn, that's good. Eugene, it's just like a breed, you know, like you get sorry, I'm gonna say a pit bull. It's the first thing that pops into my mind, like a pit bull or a German shepherd or something like that. Kind of like that idea. What a beautiful consolidation on 5-minute chart. I feel like we have different ideas of what beautiful is. I don't think I'd ever say beautiful and then consolidation in the same sentence. I'd have to come and then spend like 4 days at a hotel, then beach, go shopping, so yeah, that's fair. So I mean, we don't have great shops here, but sure, you can come to the beach. We go to Bob level down? You think so? Tapped into the Fair Valley Gap and ooh. Oh my gosh, we're getting movement. It's happening. It's happening. Everyone calm down. We got some movement. Good, good, good. Ooh. I mean, I don't hate it. It's just if it goes back in here, it could just get back into the consolidation, which I don't want. Oh, so went to a place and got a free horse. Well, kind of. There's like a little bit of an adoption fee, but yeah. 2 horses when I was little, but no brains, but... Damn. Mark that one short. Bob, are you in this? Let's see what this is like on the 5-minute. How would you have this? Would it be low-key like this though? Not the best R, but let's see on the 1 minute how it looks. Class above. Oh, midpoint. Oh, okay, so kind of where I put it. Yeah. Maybe a little bit more there. Would you rather have it there under this wick so when it comes back, it's gonna have to come back properly? Then that's a nice 1-to-1 R trade. Shoot. Do I try to take this? 1, 2. Midpoint's a goodie. Okay. You missed Andrew. No, I didn't. See how this reacts to the retest. Oh, that was beautiful there. Off of that bob level. Oh, I'm tempted to take this. That was a really nice rejection off of that level there. If I take it for 1, don't chase. Has to break below there. Really, really nice though. Like I said, I'm low-key tempted to take this just with 1 contract. Might actually be a limit order. Needs to break properly though. I'm on eval. No, I'm not. Is that Afrikaans? What Alex said? Alex? No. No, it's not. That's not Afrikaans. I am on a live. What's up? Large sum of money. How goes it? No, not yet. I said I would test it again. Just like yesterday, the movement happened pre-market. I know, Robocop, it's rude. Wait for that confirmation if you take that. I mean, it did tap back into it. I'll have a look on the 5-minute. Wiggity bye. What's up? Huge engulfing over there. How long have I been trading? 11 months. What's up? Retest to what point exactly, Bob? The mid-level? Sell limit order set. Let's see this trade. Going up. Large sum of money. I mean, I have market auction theory, and I'm forward testing a bob to bob level idea. Let's see. Hey, Flash Golden. Rar. Sorry, that meant bears. Okay, so there I would have been tagged in. Aw, thanks, Louis. I appreciate that. Is this gold? No, this is the Nasdaq futures. What's up? Watch the time of day. Oh, shoot. That being said, we do still have time. It hasn't been an hour just yet, nearly, but not just yet. This basically has 10 or 9 minutes to go now. Is it gonna? So if I had taken that, I would have been tagged in there. A solid freaking rejection off of that bob level. Just thinking out loud here, if you have been trading for 11 months and there's no withdrawals, do you feel as if it was a waste of time? No, not at all. Literally, a year ago, I didn't even know what candlesticks were. So everything I've learned has been in 11 months. I mean, there was a lot that happened in 11 months. It's not that I spent years and years backtesting and literally a year ago, I was learning what candlesticks and wicks were. So it was like higher highs and lower lows and high lows and low highs. Blah, blah, blah. I didn't know what any of those was. I didn't even know that you could sell in a market. I was so confused. I thought if it was going down, you were losing money. And the only way you could make money is if it was going up. That was it. That was literally the only way I knew. Or that I thought was how you traded. Nerd, what's up? Why are you calling me a nerd? I love it, but what's up? No, that's okay, shorty. Don't worry. Not harsh at all. I hear where you're coming from. See rejection off of here again. The only problem is if it pumps up to the freaking stop loss. You know nothing. If you say so. I won't lie, I wouldn't want to be a complete beginner again. There's so much. Trading view was so complicated. It was, well, I mean, it still is rough. Sometimes I think I know everything. So you directly started with ICT? No, not really. Is Jordy here? I don't think so. Maybe it's headed for London low, then reverse. You know, I'm low-key neutral right now. I'm beginning so lost when it comes to finding news on what's going on. To have a nice jump. Any advice? Oh, sure. Troy, do you use TradingView? What do you use? Where's your entry? Mine was a little bit higher. Interesting. It actually looks there. Marked it in here. Do I join you? No. I low-key want to, but no. Leave it alone. This could start dumping here. Let's see how this goes. Majority sells just in buy bounce at the moment. I put stop loss to... Damn, JP, that's good. I still only know TradingView. I've been using it for years. TradingView and Weeble. So TradingView, there's a little calendar over here. I don't know which one you're on, but here's the calendar. Okay, like I said, I had this set up. I would have entered in here. So there was the entry. right then. That would have been quite a nice whoop whoop right there. What's that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minutes. Done and dusted. Just before an hour is up. Not bad. This one would not have come to have tagged me in, unfortunately, but that's fine. Okay, so forward testing is not going bad, not going bad. Okay, so we at least have more movement than we had yesterday. Bob, whoop whoop. Seriously, whoop whoop. And now guess what? You're done for the day. But seriously, whoop whoop, that is amazing. Hi, did you lose money when you first started trading? Yeah, I still sometimes lose money. JP, you're letting this run. Whoop whoop for anyone that got that. Seriously, a banger. Cash gold in a win. You missed up and down. Tell them what I DM'd you. What? Which one? That you're half Mexican? Good. Yeah. Hello. Hello. No, you got poop in your eye. Okay, there we go. I got it. Except he's mad at me because he's out of sweeties. Oops. I did not, Justin, but this is the one that I'm forward testing. Would have been a 1 to, yeah, 1.6 hour trade. Not bad. Yo, Drew man, what's up? How you doing? Yes, he did. Bob literally showed me everything, so I know that Bob. That's why I know it hit perfectly there for Bob. Seriously, perfectly. What's a 5-minute look like here? Okay. Technically three. On the 5-minute. This might be a bit big though. Let's see. Does it look on the 1 minute? I must reset. That was a nice doji. I don't know if it's a doji on the 5-minute though. Nobody stops losing money in trading. It's just how you handle those that set you apart from profitable and unprofitable trader. Exactly. You can target previous day London low, could possibly head down to yesterday's lows. It seems like that might be the way. Shoot. Okay, this is an A+ setup. It's A+ even on the 5-minute. I'm laughing because I think if this doesn't work, I might blow the account, but that's why I'm having a bit of a giggle. Oh well, let's see. Let's see how it reacts here. Most importantly, let's see how it reacts off of this Bob level. If it reacts like a mad lad. Try to get in on the end of this consolidation. Did I trade in gold? No. What's up, Alexander? How you doing? Like I said, if this doesn't work, there is a possibility that this might be it for my funded. But you know what? If it is, just move on to the next. It is what it is. Out for 3K. Nice! Whoop whoop! JP? Literally anyone that's in the green today. Seriously, well done. This is the Nasdaq futures, sorry. It's A+, leave it alone. Ow! My whole shoulder just popped. Oh my gosh, I'm getting so old. Hey Bobby, what's up? This is either the trade that gets you back into the flow of things, or the one that calls it, right? OTT? Yeah. Well, let's see. This might... Well, let's see. It could potentially come back up high enough. Sort out some of these imbalances. Oh, no. The only problem I have with this trade is the fact that it didn't come and take out the midpoint here. Ugh. You can see that midpoint is right by where the stop loss is. But that would be too large for me to trade, literally. That would be way too big for me to trade, so. What's my entry price? 868.50. If I had to make a proper trade copyright, should I give it away for free or not? Why don't you start, like, get a focus group, if you will. So you start with a few people that you can give it to for free, and then you like charge a little bit, and as it becomes, you know, supply and demand, all that. Hit that first shot on ES, making for Green Day. Always a pleasure trading with you. Aw, live sound amazing, well done. Hello. How many years did I study before you traded with real money? None. Well, I mean, I'm on prop firm, so oh gosh. I'm sorry. I'm actually gonna sit on my hands. Your shoulder, my knee. Time to wrap it up. Not gonna lie, yeah. There's one thing I'm gonna do, and then I will actually sit on my hands. Sorry. Last thing is this. Okay, then I'm actually sitting on my hands. So, anyways. Thanks, Bob. Like I said, sticking with that. That sounds like a plan. What's actually sitting on my hands? Oh, no, the whole idea of that. Can you tell I'm not even gonna watch what's happening? Oh, I looked. Except that was quite a nice push off of that Bob level. So that's low-key contradicting that right now, but it is what it is. Leave it alone. Just have to sell entry. Okay. So OTT, have you made it? Is it working? Is it functional? My glasses are slowly moving down, which is driving me crazy, but there's nothing I can do. Good look. You look very similar with one actress. Ooh! Levi, which one? Super curious now. Hoop. Hey, yo, bro trader. Long time no see. Dump coming. Well, let's see now. Let's see what happens. There's still ways from completion. I just have... Ew, I missed what it said. I just have the UI set so far. What's functional is the journal. Okay, that's not bad though. Hey, Aiden Trades, what's up? What am I trading? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. The MNQ to be specific. Move your stop loss to break even and protect your capital. I can't. Sorry, Dim's the rules. Nice shirt. Oh, thank you, Flash Golden. Yeah, after a long time, I'm surprised you remember. Of course I do. I don't know the real name, but I've seen exact same face as yours in a movie. Ooh. I'm kind of curious now about who it is. Most definitely ICT too. Oh, why not? So much competition. ICT, my dad. You and Solly are gonna have to have a fight. Yeah, actually, maybe we must all message ICT and be like, listen, apparently you've fathered a lot of children. Okay. Is it a good idea? Because then I earn nothing if it doesn't, but I guess it is what it is. It's about them rules of hands off, because it could go back up to retest one more time and then go back down to stop loss, and then you feel like a fool for doing that. I don't like to share. That's bad. Come on, break below the midpoint. Break below. My glasses are slowly falling. What is the first thing to do if I trade real money? Well, hopefully you have a good sound strategy by then. Buy pending. Buy order at 4850. Ah. A decent break below. Keep breaking. See how we go. Oh no. My buy limit is a little bit too low. It's fine. No, Justin, no, don't worry, no. Oh no, I just test this theories and simply see what resonates with my mindset. Interesting. Hey, Lucky, what's up? I'm not gonna lie, I low-key want to, but yeah. First partially basically risking house money. I guess I could move it. Should I go to break even? Protect some? Move it to actually here in particular, because if it breaks out, it's probably going to go up higher. And then re-enter if it comes back. Is that being cheeky now? Go test trend lines, ICT minus, only glance around. Hello. OTT. How long have I been day trading? 11 months. What's up? Put a pullback or a sell entry. I don't like that. That's giving me Bob to Bob vibes. I have a strategy, but I don't have money to deposit my account. I'm doing some. I usually re-enter with half the normal size until I get confirmation from the rest. Hey, lucky. You know what? It was okay. It was okay. Like I said, I love my horse to bits and pieces, but good grief. He's gonna drive me to drink. Nah, just kidding. He's adorable. Are you scalping? I am. What's up, Wait. Tsubomi? Still, your entry looks good. Okay, that was nice. Doji over there. Decent doji. I'm gonna leave it above that swing high then. What part of the world am I? I like that. I'm in South Africa. What's up? Welcome, welcome. I'm still in the bottom. Yeah, I'm good. Just a little bit tired. I was doing some spring cleaning. Like having cereal with no milk. Bob, I feel like you're gonna judge me. Are you guys ready to judge me? I eat Fruit Loops with no milk. I prefer them crunchy. Don't judge. Just remember it's mean to judge people, okay? We listen and we don't judge you. You love Africa, that's awesome. Have you ever been? Got a sub from me. Hey, welcome. Want to learn trading on YouTube to learn any advice or suggest channels to learn from scratch? Any advice? Sure, that's a good question. I'm still learning myself, in all honesty. I mean, my Discord has some videos if you want. You're always keen to learn. Like I said, my Discord's actually not bad. You can go there, you can always ask questions. I have such a nice, knowledgeable group of people there that really want to help. Keep moment lower. I knew Maya was a serial killer. OTT, that was a missed opportunity to put serial killer. Just saying, that was a missed opportunity. I'm not mad. I'm just disappointed. You could have seized that opportunity properly. Do you have any advice for people listening to you now? Yes and no. My advice if you're a beginner would be start with prop firms. Like, obviously do your paper trading to figure out your strategy. If you have your strategy, awesome. My advice, in my opinion, I know some people don't agree with this, would be start with a prop firm to preserve your capital while you are figuring out the psychology, which is the hardest part in trading. Yeah, while you're figuring out the psychology behind it all, I would recommend, again, my opinion, I would recommend prop firms to get you started. Yeah. Then you go from there. It's a nice little way to cushion your profits and your capital. Cereal. I know. You can make a thick shake with Fruit Loops. Come again? So I've been to Johannesburg and gone and you might look in. There we go. Nice job. I'm all done. I'll probably clean next week. Now I'm gonna just relax. Made a profit on the demo. Hey, whoop whoop, Alexander. That's good though. Did you just call us like a horse? No. Did I? Did I do that? What's up, Southpaw? How you doing? Long time no see. How's the trading been treating you? My listening is something I realize you can't do very well, but keep on trying.
Emotional damage.
Well, that was unnecessary. Rude? Wow. How rude. Moving on, it's okay. Milk Fruit Loop blend. I know we listen and don't judge. I'm trying really hard to not judge right now. Let's see, Bob. Let's see. I've learned when it comes to the charts, don't get any hopes up. Just sit and nod and wait. And how's it look on the 5 minute? No, for crying out loud, I think. Still struggling to break below a little bit on the 5 minute bar, but let's see. Good doji there. Yeah, one more of a break below this midpoint. No. Because I looked at it, don't look. Gotta, ooh. But we move. My, that goes for reading as well. Damn, I was gonna say something about that. Proper recovery, there's a bill to take people's money. My advice will start an account with whatever money you have and add practice like that. Yes and no. We could have a little bit of a debate about that one. I hear what you're saying, but they're a business. If you play by their rules, you're good to go. Then it's a win-win situation, right? Again, just my opinion, but that's what I thoroughly believe. Oh, MJ trades Bob. Bob is some secret sauce. Just saying. So do you see these levels. These faded in levels over here. Do you see how price tends to actually react off of it quite well? Yeah, there's some secret sauce with that. So this is what I've been forward testing. So this trade here was essentially a bob to bob level trade. Okay, so went back, got confirmation with the rejection, entry down to take profit. Not competent or comfortable enough yet to take that. I've only been, when did I started forward testing on Friday, so I can, like I said, I'll forward test until at least today. Maybe tomorrow I'll attempt a bob to bob just with one micro and see how it goes. Mike doesn't understand banter, but Bob was our trading picture. First everything is Bob. Shimmy, shimmy, shimmy. Shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yay. How'd your playlist? You look so beautiful. Oh, thank you. I appreciate that. With the glasses, I look like a troll though, hey, a gremlin. I get it, I get it. Banter is all this chat does. I know, and like I said, banter is so cool. I'm so chilled with banter. Y'all are bullies, but that's not the point. It's if someone comes here and they are legit about it, I'm like, no. No. Do you think Jane is still here? I put them on timeout for like 10 minutes. I think they left. MJ Trades, you're welcome. I can't exactly give exact source, but that's basically what the bob levels are. I would say do you want to see them in gold, but I don't want to hop off of this right now, so we stay. Hey bro, what's up? Hi, how you doing? How's it going? While we're waiting, should we do butterfly of the day? Lucky they were literally here for signals. Literally here for signals. So if anyone on the chat said buy, sell, they would do that and then complain if it didn't work out to them. And I was like, no, we are here to learn how to trade. We are actually here to legitimately learn how to trade for ourselves. Not, you know, not to get signals from, anyways, yeah. Am I funded? I am funded, what's up? Yeah. Like, if you want signal, you know, you do you, but then don't come and yell at people because you didn't make profit listening to strangers on the internet. It doesn't work like that. Anyways. Anywho. That's why, I mean, they seem sweet enough, but just, yeah. Your setup has fair value gap. Yes, it does. Can you tell I'm actually not looking. I'm just waiting for a beep. Either way, it is what it is, but yeah. And learn to preserve capital. Yes. I think maybe he wasn't familiar with the stream. I don't know. Yeah, who knows? But the thing is, not getting signals from me. Lucky. Wait. Was that you taking another jab at me? That is hilarious. Really? FOMC hard pass me, I must skip week for me. Nice. So you missed the whole week? That, I mean, it has been a great week, but it's fine. Funded trade, I mean prop firm. Oh yes, I use a prop firm, but yes, I'm funded with a prop firm. No. Oh, are you sure? Lucky you. My entries are legit. I understand not giving out the complete source. You explained it well enough for me to understand without the exact source. Ooh! I'm glad. Sorry. I'm glad I was able to help in a little way. No jabs were taken. Oh, well, that was a missed opportunity, wasn't it? Yes, silly goose, you.
That's what she said.
Whereabouts am I from in South Africa? David, are you from South Africa? Which is the best prop firm? That's a bit of a loaded question. Because it's all dependent on the person of what's going to be the best prop firm. And the trading stuff. Do you see the bug? Oh, I killed it. Oh my gosh, I feel so bad. I didn't. Oh, he's dead. He's on my finger. Oh, I was trying to scare him away. I didn't mean to kill him. Oh, I kind of want to cry now. I didn't mean to kill the bug that's been biting me, but it's okay. Anyways. My losing rate is so high, I don't want to lose another price. Just pass one last. Oh, nice. Okay, that's not bad. Nice. Valid. I'm not the bully you think I am. David. No ways, you from PE? Well, I'm from KZ Insight. So when you're in profit, I would protect your entry. It's better to win a little each time than to burn through your account. As always, that's my opinion, and I've come to understand it over the years. Straight up gangster. I feel bad. I killed him. I really feel bad. I nearly started crying there. Yes, okay, because I squished a bug. Okay, I get it. I get it. Pathetic, but fine. Not just a stroke.
Emotional damage.
That's hilarious. That was good. That deserved a slow clap as well. Oh gosh, World Free Speech, what's up? That's nothing for you. Antonina's family is normal because of the exterminator. Oh my gosh. Oh, so mean. Debbie got jokes. Damn, Debbie has clapbacks. That's what she got. Gosh. She didn't hold back on that one. She was like, I've been here long enough. I can start coming with them. Them to the ribs just right there. Sure, that was hardcore. Anyways. We carry on. Flash, what's up? Yes, okay, those are correct. Made giggles just a bit with that one. Wait, did you actually giggle? Bob actually giggled? No way. Debbie, you should feel proud. Something is coming, let's see. Question is which direction? Dun dun dun. Dun dun dun. No TP this time. OTT, did you hop back on expecting to see something? And yes, here we are. What's up? I have basically not looked at green. Oh no, I saw it on the side there. Let's see, Justin. Technically, it should theoretically go back up before going back down. But let's see. Dennis, am I actually trading? I'm in a trade right now. Dentist. Love you, though. I love you, Debbie. You're cool. Like I said, I'm just not looking. Where's Solly? Someone's missing. I didn't mark the register today. I see. Oh, my bad. My bad. Should I start like making a list? I'm like, I need like a pen and who's here? And if you're not here, what is it? For the amount of days you are not here, I don't know. What's them rules? Lucky, where were you yesterday? Were you here yesterday? You were not here yesterday. Were you here yesterday? No? Yes. Maybe. Those are the three answers. Maya, sell the high and buy the low this rotation. Oh, with this type of market, is that what you're saying? If they're not on register, they can't have signal. I like that. I like that. Damn, Debbie's on fire today. Debbie's like, let's do this thing. Let's go, girls. Anyways. One gifted from a single week and I was here for the London, but near the end. Oh, wow. Wow, only saw the end. How disappointing. sprinkler dance. And that's a Bob quote right there. Why are you hating on my sprinkler dance? What's wrong with you? This is how you gotta dance. Do, 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 do. Guys, do you know why I do not go out? Because of this. I'm just there like... Hey Dylan, what's up? Imagine working in a warehouse all day to then come to the charts and see barcoding price action. What's up, Ninja? How you doing? Think UGC kind of in sync. Oh. That's weird. They're not normally in sync. No, they're not. This rotation market in US, I kind of made in US session. What? That do be impressive. This is gonna take me out of break even. Oh, okay. Break even. That's okay. Let's see what it does now. If it goes to check TP, I'm gonna low-key be upset, but you are correct. In this chip chop city... Rather, whoopsies, that's not what I wanted. Rather protect your capital, especially for me right now. Let's see. Oh! We are up! We are up to 606! Oh my gosh! Guys, move out my way. We are high rolling. I'm so cringe, I'm so sorry. Anyways. Weevil! Looky there, your TP hit. Well, it was, sure, we'll go with TP. Just the one contract. Sell the high and buy the low in US last week. Nice. Hey, Mamdul. Aw, thank you. Okay, let's see what this does. Cheers, Dom. This is a scam. Why is that, RTT? Just getting too much money over here, right? Just too much money. Clearly it's all lies. Stuck in that bob level. If I was going bob to bob, but it's way past the hour. Entry would have been there for a bob to bob level. Dylan, what? What? Oh, what pair? Sorry. This is the Nasdaq futures actually, so not a pair. What I do? What a next half put under break even. I need that kind of energy in my life. Being calm is making me crack. No, don't crack. I took a bite. Hey, handsome, okay? What's up? Past 3 days. You're not wrong. You are really not wrong. Not gonna disagree with you at... What the heck was that? Bro. That was interesting. Oh my gosh, was this a Mojo Jojo? Yeah, not quite. I wouldn't quite call this a Mojo Jojo, but it was close. You're a beginner trader, so am I, don't worry. Okay, so that would have been a stop loss, so... Whew. Okay, good thing I moved that down. Not a Mojo Jojo. Ah, that 900 level was pulling that price action up like a magnet, yep. If I was doing bob to bob, Entry probably would have been there, hey. What does it look like in a 5 minute? Sorry. There's a storm coming. I'm pulling a face because I heard like thunder and I was like, where did you come from? Thunder. Hear the thunder. Lightning and the thunder. I'm normal. Not normal. I'm normal. Anyways. Hey, you didn't loan me the 200. Was I supposed to? My mom called as soon as I said good morning to you. Trading has been great. I passed 2 tests in the last 2 weeks. Took a 100 point game prior to your... That's amazing. Well done. What do you consider normal behavior? What, for a human? Right? Like people? I don't know. Do people copy your trades? I hope not. There's no such thing as normal, you're just being yourself. I love it. No. For anyone that had green, this is literally for everyone that's had green today. Seriously, well done. For a human, yes. I guess they stay cool, calm, and collected, and they don't just randomly do these weird things, and they keep focused, and they're super chilled, and they have normal conversations. They don't, you know, have a English that depletes, see, you know, they don't just randomly do weird things. Speaking of, butterfly of the day. And maybe they don't have ADD. Oh, I forgot to get this ready. My bad. No one can see nothing. Okay. Okay, butterfly of the day. We did butterfly of the day earlier. Well, during London. We have not done one today. Let's see. There. Don't take this the wrong way, but y'all are boring. These are just brown butterflies. These just look like moths. Anyways, let's do the Venezuela Scully. Oh, the one underneath is the rock. Okay, no. Let's stick with the Venezuela Scully. Butterfly. Don't let that pretty one fool you. It's this one. This one. This one. I see Scullies are just a thing. Basically, they're brown. There we go. This is basically one that we have. Okay. It's brown. I mean, it's cute. It's cute. That's mean. I'm being very mean to butterflies right now. Anyways, wingspan 25 to 36.5 millimeters. Nice. Cape Venezuela easily distinguished from Neisner's Scully species group by uniformly darker upper side in both sexes, dark spots, difficult to discern from background. Okay. Distribution, they like fain bulls only found high up on slopes of Cape Venezuela mountains, particularly Muizenberg, whoa, I butchered that, Western Cape. Habitat, mountains, rocky ledges. Cool. Flight period, a single brooded, so late November to early Feb. Oh, okay, so they're gone now. Larva found in, okay. Anyways, shall I attempt to say it's what? Latin name. I nearly said it's Spanish name. I'm like, that's not right. That's not what that is. Maizenbad. My bad. I'm sorry, Ninja, okay? I'm not cool like you. Anyways. It's called the Thestor Yildizier. Wait, there we go. Oh, the genus, that's it! Thestor. Okay. I butchered that. Anyways, there's the butterfly of the day. I must be saying, unfortunately, shame. Poor you guys. The New York butterflies have been adoring, but that's okay. Poor people stealing the signals. In short, how's it going? You winning on the trades? Hey, Anthony. I mean, I don't mean to brag, but I'm up a little bit. Anyway, I'll be like this every day and don't change. Yeah. But one thing is for sure, you don't know anything about trading on this channel. You know how to spot and name butterflies. Exactly. Winning. I gotta run errands and hang out with my mom and grandma. Aww. Cheers, Alpha. Have fun.
Emotional damage.
Lucky you're on fire today, being a bully. I love it. Hey! How's it going? Hey, Free, how's your day? Just here for a little thumbs up. I hope everyone has some winning trades. What's up, Mr. Chaos? I mean, I had it at a little bit of a break even, so I'm up an itty bitty little bit. Better than nothing. Capricorns, I used to say musing. God. Ninja, that's hilarious. Hey, OTT, did you notice inside of Microsoft Force, like I said, number one? Freaking Bob to Bob, man. Sorry. Seriously, this would have been the entry. Bob to Bob, beautiful. What a beautiful freaking Bob to Bob trade. I was a little bit late on that, but it's fine. After having that trade, it's good to have a little bit of a breather. I'm curious about these. Let me quickly actually mark these. That's not what I wanted. That's not what I wanted either. That's what I wanted. I'm curious to see how these shelves react. I have a suspicion they react a little bit differently. I'm gonna watch him. I'm doing my due diligence as a Cape Toadian. My bad. No. If I press your link, I'm sure I can get signals here. Sure. Yes. My unlocked for today trade now. Just finished it under 23 minutes. Profit no drawdown. Damn! Whoop whoop, that's amazing. Well done. And into Bob level. So if I had taken this Bob trade, let's just see. Probably would have put this below here. Nearly a 3-hour trade that right there. Cool. Not bad. Okay, Bob to Bob. We can see now next movement down. Okay, Dom, you think so? I can see clearly now, the rain is gone. I can see all the candles in my way. Okay, let's do this. I'm sure everyone good luck. See you later. Cheers, Mr. Chaos. Yes. Trading process, you're funny. Can I get one advice before I go? Don't do drugs. Was that what you were looking for? Or did you mean specifically trading? Because, yeah. Bob's Bob is so simple. One of those thieving monkeys could do it. I know! But, yeah. Sometimes even past that hour is still solid, right? Amazing. What if trading is drug? That's not considered a drug. Because a drug is a substance. Trading's not a substance. Back. Just gotta spot confirmations for continuations. I mean, for me, the confirmations were low-key that rejection, rejection, rejection. When it came up again, then the engulfing was pretty solid. Right, that rejection also off the end of this bob level was pretty good. How's it look on the 5 minute? Maybe the 5 minute will give even better. You struggle to break, then like I said, a solid rejection. That would have been a goodie, right? I don't know if I'm always on par with those, but yeah, would have been winners today, so that's good. It's funny, some YouTubers market prop prom videos only and use monthly prop prom subscriptions. Oh? Are you saying it's weird that I don't do it, Flash? Damn, Lucky. I didn't think that advice could go further, but you took it the next level. What a boring drug trading would be. Hey, Boojay, what's up? Am I sure you like me and got stopped out like me? Well, what can you do? Well, thank heavens I got break even. So technically, I don't mean to brag over here, but technically I'm in the green. Anyways. Guys, I'm getting so much weirder. I'm so sorry. Am I sorry? I'm a little bit sorry. Little double top over here. It's quite a strong bob level, by the way. If the price breaks 249.30, you're going long. That's rude. Hilarious, but rude. That went to the quotes, yes. And then... Oh, you think so? I'm so bad at spotting those, I'm not even gonna lie. CP at 950, 20 points. Jumping in. Sure, yo, that's quite a quickie, what the heck, man? You take such quick little trades. How many contracts do you put in there, Justin? I'm in. Bye. Why'd you say bye like that? Damn. What did I do? Ooh. Look at that go. Don't mind me, I'm just checking on something. My tummy's got the grumblies. Got the grumblies that only hands can satisfy. You don't know where that comes from. We can't be friends. But literally my tummy is grumbling. Anyways, I'm not touching this today. I can go to a million. I don't care. I'll see you tomorrow. Get the green trade. All caps, no gaps. End scene. Cheers, Lucky. Is Debbie going? I feel like I've missed some things. I'm missing things. Why am I missing things? Is Debbie gone? What the? So I'm seeing how it respects these particular shelves. I feel like they respect them a little bit better. Just from what I've observed, which is why I've been circling, sorry. How you handle your dog while he is so loud. What did my dog just do? He's doing nothing. I'm so confused. You think it's a sell now? Oh, he was just saying but never mind. Never mind, ignore me. Tapped into that bob level. Let's see what we get here. Although it is nearly time to call it. Who else has had green trades today, by the way? Well, apart from Bob, I know Bob did. Banger. That's hilarious, sorry. Red Max 7 Leap Challenge started on TV. I saw. Part of me was like, do I do it? And I was like, no, let's maybe not start doing that today. Leave it alone. Is your plan to take that? Or do it? Challenge it? Accept the challenge. There we go. That back down there. How's it look on the 5? Only nice thing about this is this double top. They work quite well on the 5-minute. Oh, that would have hurt my feelings. Look at that go. Never mind, that does not work as well as I thought it would. Yep, I'm in, but already not liking the parameters. Why? What are the parameters? Like super specific that what you can and can't do? Oh, instantly. I did like that on the 5 though. I must make a note of that on the 5-minute one. Hey, what's up? How you doing? Where you been? Bob to Bob to Bob to Bob, back to Bob, 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 Bob. Oh, my Wi-Fi is freaking out. You're in the car, nice. Is it hot where you are? It's freaking boiling here. Getting cooked like a roast potato. I'm a potato. Okay. Let's give this 5 more minutes. I'm giving this 5 more minutes. Then let's see. You have 5 minutes to show me what you're made of. Wow me. If that worked. 1150 shares max position size on stocks. Cross between. Oh, damn. Okay. Interesting. Well, still my family may say the heat and damn, it's 35 degrees. What is wrong with you? What do you mean you think that's fine? That is not okay. To be fair, today it was 31 degrees, real feel 36 degrees here. I was not happy. I was not impressed. Especially with my horse that overheats now. I was just like, seriously, 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 seriously. I bet if you guys came to the Sahara Desert, you would be very happy with this. I guess that's valid. Okay, a little bit of a tap there, took out that liquidity zone. You have 3 minutes to go, NQ. Come on. Give me something to work with. Tapped into the fair value gap on the 5 minute. Okay. No, Ninja, I'm so sorry. I do melt. I love cashback rewards on my credit cards. It pays you for my bougie coffee. You have bougie coffee? What coffee do you get? What makes it so bougie? Please say you get like something super like, I don't know. We don't even get that in South Africa, but like a half cap wrap with caramel, shots, and hazelnut, whatnots, McCall thingies. See, we don't really get that. We just get standard things here. We get caramel frappuccinos, but you can't add weird and wonderful things to it. Not that I know of. If you can, I don't even think I would know where to start. And I think it would be judged heavily. That's valid. That's valid. Did you get the frappuccinos from Starbucks though? Caramel fraps. Heck yeah! She speaks for her. Wait, Ninja, what? Explain. I need you to explain right now. Yeah. Eugene, all done. Whoop whoop. You get a very respectful whoop whoop. Very well deserved. Come to Cape Town, voted the best city in the world and the most expensive. Ninja, damn. If I'm feeling Gen Z, I'll add extra espresso shot. I'm feeling Gen Z. Oh my gosh. Okay. Yo, welcome. Seriously, well done, Eugene. That's awesome. This is my unimpressed face. Okay. Of course, Eugene, that's the whole point of this, to have a community that's here to support one another, right? It's hard to be part of the 5%ers, it's tough to get there, you don't need more people being mean. I want everyone to be part of the 5%ers, maybe we can start making it like the 10%. Ho ho ho, no I'm kidding. I'm pretty sure it'll always stay the 5%ers, it's never gonna be that big. No cancel robes. Thank you, cells looking good. I don't like that wick on the 5 minute. That tapped into that fair value gap. Went wiki wiki wild. Woo! Ah. Let's see how this goes here. You and theoretically, because I'm funded, yeah, Flash. Is there a 5%ers club I don't know about? I thought I was the cool kid that was like 5%ers, let's go. I don't know what that was. Anyways. My spidey senses are tingling. About what? Feels live here, so we have all the weird and wonderful add-ons. No ways, Ninja. Okay. Now I'm really starting to like. Do we? Do I just not know that it was a thing that people do? So you can like make your own. You'd be like, I want this, but added this and this and this and this and this and blah 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 blah. That sounds like a lot of effort though. It's a trading club. I think it's 5k to join, not sure. This is for retail traders being out the entire year, supposedly more. Exactly! We want to be part of the... Okay, I know yours says 96%, but let's pretend it's at 95%. One is also to be part of the 5% that make it. That do not lose money, but gain money. Right? Them's the goals right there. It's the 5%ers. Okay. It's the goal, Eugene. That's at least the goal. At least there's a goal, right? Yeah. Okay, I'm probably gonna call it there for today. I mean, not bad. Up a little bit. I say that also because there's a storm coming. I can hear the thunder on its way. Lightning and the thunder. Anyways. Which means I'll have to turn off my PC. Because you know my PC is live. Damn, PC parts are expensive now. Have you guys checked how much? Disgusting. Anyways, not the point. The point is, I'm gonna then call it there while I'm, not to brag, but green for the day. You know. By oh so much. I need to calm down. I'm gonna be such a rich kid one day. Okay, let me call it. I'm gonna leave this up. Let's see how this would have played out later. But this is now New York lunchtime. For me, this price action was a lot better than yesterday. I don't know if you guys agree with that or not. But definitely better than yesterday. Let's see what tomorrow brings now that FOMC is going to happen later. Fingers crossed we get a little bit more normal. Who knows? Okay, but I love you guys madly. Again, thank you for joining. Don't forget to press that like button if you haven't already. Literally, always thanks for joining. Thanks for having fun with me. I think that's what's important. We have fun together. Whoop whoop to anyone that had winning trades. Don't worry, you'll get them next time for anyone that did not. And you guys are the bestest. If you want discounts, you can use my code TEACHMY, all caps, no gaps. Yeah. I love you guys madly. I'll see you tomorrow. London and New York. Okay. Trade safe. Bye.